back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. This is Mohana Khan, and in today's video I am going to share with you how you can do a DIY detan routine at your home. In today's video I am going to show you the process of making a scrub and also a mask that you can use all over your body and your face both. And the best part is that all the ingredients that you need to make these DIY products are easily available at your homes. You do not need to go out and purchase a certain special product in order to make these DIYs. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please subscribe, and if you enjoy watching the video that you're watching right now, then please hit the thumbs button. It would mean the absolute world. For the scrub, the ingredients that you will need are 2 tablespoons of coffee. Coffee helps reduce the appearance of cellulite on the skin, and the grittiness of the coffee will help in exfoliating the skin really well, and it will give the skin a smooth texture. The next thing that you will need is 2 tablespoons of regular sugar. Again, the big particles of the sugar will help in exfoliating the skin really well and give you the smooth appearance of the skin that you want, and the sugar will also help in getting rid of the dry dead skin particles. And the last thing that you will need is coconut oil. You can replace this with any oil of your preference. You can use olive oil or argan oil, anything that you prefer. I really like using the coconut oil because I have dry skin and it helps in moisturizing my skin really well, and I do not get any reactions from using coconut oil, so I like using coconut oil. So for making the scrub, all that you need to do is mix all these ingredients together. This is the consistency of the scrub that you want. It won't be too liquidy, it would be kind of gritty and dry. So this is the consistency of the scrub that you can see. So we are done making the scrub. For the mask, you will need 5 tablespoons of yogurt. Yogurt moisturizes the skin, it soothes the skin, and it also helps in reducing the appearance of blemishes and pigmentation on the skin. You will also need the juice of 1 whole lemon. Lemon works well on lightening acne scars, and it also removes suntan, and lemon also contains collagen. The next ingredient that you will need is besan or gram flour. I have taken 2 tablespoons of besan over here. Besan also helps in removing suntan, and it also brightens the complexion and exfoliates dead skin. Another thing that you will need is honey. I'll be using about 1 tablespoon of honey here. Honey is again very moisturizing for the skin. And one ingredient that I'll be using that is not over here is turmeric. I'll be using 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric. Turmeric contains antioxidants which will give a natural glow to the skin, and it also helps with reducing acne scarring. So I am going to be combining all the ingredients over here. This is the texture of the mask that you want. You can add in a little more besan if you feel like. So here is the mask all done. So this is the texture of the scrub that you want. It's not very dry and it's not very liquidy. This is the exact texture that you want your scrub to be. I'm taking a little of it and I'm applying it on my face. I've scrubbed my body and my face for about 5 to 6 minutes. Now I'm going to rinse it off and be right back. So I've rinsed off the scrub and my skin feels like a baby skin. You can see that I have a little bit of redness, but this is the case with any scrub I use. After I scrub my face, it becomes a little red and irritated. So this is the after effect of the scrub. The dead cells on my skin are gone. I wish you could feel my skin right now, and also you can make this scrub in a batch and you can store it in the fridge for about 1 month and it will not go bad because all of these are dry ingredients. So you can store this scrub if you want to. So the next product that I am going to be applying on my body and also on my face is another DIY that I showed you guys. So this is the mask that I showed you guys and this is how it looks. So I'm going to be applying a generous amount of it all over my face. Now that I look like a yellow monster, you wanna let this mask dry completely on your skin, or you can wait for about 15 to 20 minutes before you wash it out. I washed the mask and I had to take a shower because the mask was all over me, and I've kind of changed into my home clothes, so please don't mind that. And this is what my skin looks like after the mask. You can see that my complexion looks a lot brighter. You will obviously not see a miraculous change in just one day. You will have to use these products at least twice a week for a month or two, and only then will you be able to see the difference on your skin, because with any home remedy or any skincare product in general, you cannot expect to have instant result. My hands used to be way darker than this. I had a lot of tan on my hand. I have been using this home remedies for about a month now, and I must say that I have seen some reduction of my tan. I'll insert a photo of what my hand used to look like 1 month back from now, and still now you can see my face doesn't match my hand. My hand is way darker than my face. So I'll be using this for 6 more months and I'll show you the results for sure. So this was it for today's video. I'll be uploading videos like this every Sunday. I thought of doing something different, so I thought of doing DIYs, home remedies and self-care sessions with you guys on every Sunday. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, then let me know in the comments section below. And until next time, stay safe, stay home and take care of yourselves. Love you guys.